Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. With Google Doc, we're going to learn how to add columns to your paragraph. To add a paragraph, first we need to go to this website which is called Libsam. So we need to copy this paragraph. So we're going to right click, copy, or you can use the shortcut Control C. Now I'm going to paste it, Control V. To add a column to your paragraph, we need to go to the format menu and here we have the columns. First column is selected. Now I want to add two columns to my paragraph. So I'm going to click at the two columns. And if I want to add three columns to this paragraph, we need to go to the format menu with the columns. Here we have the three columns. You can see my paragraph is divided into three columns. First, second, and third. With columns, here is more options. I'm going to click at that. So you can choose the number of columns from here from 1 to 3. You can add a spacing in inches. So I'm going to increase that 1.5. And also I can add line between columns. I'm going to check this option to add the lines into my columns. Now I'm going to click on apply. You can see the spacing and also the lines between the columns. So this is how we can add columns to my paragraph with the Google Doc. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.